guys. Hello guys. Today we are rating EAS alarms. Let's start. Mongolia. 5 out of 10. Is there a police going on? Is the police? Malaysia in 1942. Malay. 10 out of 10. It looks like a boat is about to crash. And then everybody's screaming. Yemen. 4 out of 10. Maybe you need to put some after it. Ethiopia. 10 out of 10. An alarm plus a Denmark EAS alarm. Nice. Alright, Ghost! Oh my god, Ivory Coast. 11 out of 10. Who's the bitches? Well, that's it for the EAS alarms. Hope you enjoyed and goodbye.